Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
Good morning and thank you for logging on. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. Things starting to heat up in the forecast today. We're going to be back into the 80s with heat indices into the 90s. Now looking dry overall with partly cloudy to partly sunny skies. By tomorrow, we'll have a heat advisory going into effect for the afternoon as our feels-like temperatures approach 100 to 105 degrees. We do cool off a little bit for Sunday as we'll track a few isolated storms. Here's future track. Again, today looking dry as we may see a little more cloud cover than sunshine, especially by midday. By the afternoon, I think we'll see partly cloudy skies. Then heading into tonight and really late tonight, there will be a chance for a few isolated or a stray shower or storm, mainly in the west, as we'll see mostly cloudy conditions. This model not really showing it, and we could see those lingering into tomorrow morning if we do see them. If not, it's looking partly cloudy for the day on Saturday. And that sunshine really going to start to heat things back up as high temperatures approach the 90s, even mid-90s for some. Now with the comfort level, our dew points, we're going to be around 73 for today. That's downright uncomfortable, getting even higher for the day on Saturday. Feeling awful out there, almost like a tropical rainforest with dew points right around 75 degrees. Then a cold front will move through Saturday night into Sunday, and that's going to cool things down just a bit for the back half of the weekend. But not by much. Still feeling pretty muggy out there. And when it comes to our heat indices, what it feels like on the skin, well, it's going to feel like the mid to upper 90s this afternoon. Then tomorrow into the dangerous category between 100 and 106 degrees. So that's why you want to drink plenty of water. Still feeling like the 90s for Sunday and then dropping down into the mid 80s for Monday and Tuesday, as we'll see a better chance for rain and some cloud cover. But overall, that heat advisory in effect for the entire viewing area, that will be for tomorrow afternoon, as our heat indices will be between about 100 and 106 degrees. Now, in terms of avoiding heat stroke, try to take these tips. Again, drink plenty of water, wear the loose-fitted, light clothing, try to wear white so you don't absorb a lot of that heat, and then just take breaks in the AC. Wear sunscreen because sunburn will occur in about 10 to 15 minutes. And check on the elderly and the young children. Of course, don't leave them in cars. Same goes for pets. Don't leave them outside because those pets will be susceptible to the heat as well. Now for today, our high temperatures will be in the mid to upper 80s. We'll see a south wind up to 15 miles per hour. And overall, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. And then for tonight, our low temperatures in the mid 70s. So things really not cooling down very much as the south wind continues. It stays humid, just a slight chance for storms. That may linger into Saturday morning. Otherwise, we'll see partly cloudy skies and then high temperatures in the low to mid 90s area wide. We do cool down a little bit for Sunday as high temperatures will top out in the mid to upper 80s. Still a chance for some isolated storms there. Here's your 10-day forecast. Making our way into Monday and Tuesday, a little cooler. Low to mid 80s for highs, lows back down into the mid 60s as we'll see some scattered storms. Looking dry on Wednesday, and then we start to work our way back up into the upper 80s by Friday with a few isolated storms, and then by next weekend, we should see our highs in the low 90s and lows in the low 70s.